First of all, I think it's a very good show this year. We have been impressed by the number of interesting persons stopping by our stand. And I think it's also due to the fact that we recently joined the FINESCE project, where we got a lot of good and very interesting contacts.
Interesting to see that there are lots of developments in the HVAC market, like in general, the energy market in general. There's lots of stuff happening, and I think compared to last year, lots of new stuff, which makes it very interesting. Yeah.
But apart from that, we experience a very high interest for products for home automation.
There's lots of automation, lots of stuff that makes people's lives easier, help people save energy.
As a startup, what we're finding is that we have a business model that works, we have a product that works, but gaining access to the right people in organizations when you are a startup and you don't have a big recognized brand is a challenge. So what we're hoping to do, obviously, as part of this event here is gain some exposure to the brand and to potential business partners as well as customers for driving the business forward.
It's a very interesting event because it's an event where utilities come as visitors and the vendors present their new products, also their old products like transformer switches, but also a lot of innovation around smart metering, data infrastructure for metering, and smart home is quite coming up, as well as storage this year here.
There's an opportunity and there's an actual need. As things grow and expand and become more interconnected, it's easy. Things are more efficient, but that also means there's a greater attack surface. There are now more ways in. So in terms of where we see this market going, it's already getting large, and it'll get a lot larger.
One of the key issues that we have seen in the dialogues with the customers here is really centered around how do you solve the access problem to sensors and actuators in the distribution grid, including smart meters.
People start to understand that the grid itself needs to get much more intelligent, and you get intelligence distributed in the grid, and this is what is reflected in the event here. You see that with the people that are talking with you, the customer interactions that you have. So it has grown a lot in terms of the intelligence the event provides to the end user, but also to us as manufacturers.
But you can't just take any solution that you'd work in an IT environment and go, all right, here you go, Mr. Utility. This is going to work for you. So we have to be very cognizant of what the needs of utilities are to bring them forward in a way that actually makes sense and will help them.
FINESCE is known in North America now fireware. Some of the major utilities have heard about the project. They've reached out for information, and now they're really looking forward in terms of the result and how it could apply to North America in terms of the utilities.